In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to N8N. By the end, your N8N workflow will be authorized to talk to Google Sheets, so you can automate tasks like adding rows, reading data, or updating cells. First, open your browser and go to N8N.io. Sign in and open a fresh workflow so you're looking at the empty canvas. This is where we'll add our first node, which is N8N's term for a step in your automation. On the canvas, click the Add First Step button. This opens the node selector. Think of it as a library of integrations and tools you can drop into your workflow. In the search bar, type Google Sheets, then click the Google Sheets node. This adds the integration to your workflow and opens its settings panel on the right. Next, choose what you want the Google Sheets node to do by selecting an action. Common choices include append for adding new rows, read for pulling data, update for changing existing rows, and lookup for finding records. Pick the action that aligns with your use case. This just tells N8N how to interact with your spreadsheet. Now, under Credential to connect with, open the drop-down. Credentials in N8N are secure, reusable authorizations that let nodes access external services without storing secrets in each workflow. If you don't have a Google Sheets credential yet, that's totally fine. We'll create one now. Click Create New Credential. You can give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later, especially if you plan to manage multiple Google accounts or environments. When prompted, sign in with Google. Choose the Google account that owns or has access to the spreadsheets you plan to use. Google will show a permission screen, review it, and allow access so N8N can read and write sheets as needed. If your organization uses Google Workspace, you may need admin approval for new app connections. Also, make sure you're selecting the correct account if you're logged into multiple profiles in your browser. After granting access, click Save. This stores the credentials securely in N8N and links it to your Google Sheets node. You're now connected. From here, your selected action will reveal fields like spreadsheet selection and sheet tab options, which you can configure when you're ready. A quick tip, keep a test spreadsheet handy with a simple header row so you can map fields clearly while you build. That's it, you've connected Google Sheets to N8N. Your node is authorized, your credential is saved, and you're set to continue building your automation with confidence.